Is that visible? You can just chat over in the section. Is that visible? Yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay, and myself Karthikeyan from Cody site, and this is my startup YouTube channel, and this is my second course which I am taking in, and which is also with the help of Tip community, and we have built about 230 to 300 people in the community called Tip, and we are also conducting many webinars. We share webinar links a lot, and let us move upon today's topic, that web development for this batch July month. So this is a basic intro which makes you get what is it and how can you enter into a web development stream. Okay, I'll just, and how to get into the web development stream without no knowledge. So this also quite helpful in a way where we can develop ourselves, and the course outline that we will be having 4 to 5 sessions. We will try to complete within 4 sessions, but it will be taking a much time, I think so. In the first session we will be seeing, that is today, the introduction of web development and the process that is involved in the form, and it is also in the view of IT part, actually how does a project builds from the basic side and how does it seen from the client view. And the second session we will be working with a wireframe tool, and what is wireframe will be detailedly explained in the sessions. And once the wireframe is over, we will be moving upon to the bootstrap. Bootstrap is where is a inbuilt code which is set up for us, so that we can see bootstrap where you can copy the code, but before copying any code you must understand why the code has been used and what kind of system they are following, and you can also adjust the system by using a custom CSS that we'll be seeing in the fourth session. So the fourth session is full of styling. So once you have made your or web page from the bootstrap, you can actually make a styling on your own, whereas bootstrap has a different style, and it has a class, so that inbuilt class which contains a certain styling too. For example, center is a class where it makes the content to the center. So text center alignment, there are lots and lots of properties which is available in this CSS styling, and we'll be also come to know about a backend process at the end of the session. I think I have given you a link in the form that which server you have to use. Most of them has web server. So we have different servers, PHP, Java server. In Java we'll be using Apache. So in Python we'll be using the that's Django, and normal browser that is from a static basic. Okay, and this is what the course outline will be going through it, and this is maybe for 1 month, and make sure that whatever assignment I am giving, make sure that you do it, and that makes you a perfect in the style where you are going to shine. And yeah, in this day 1 process, we all will be seeing that what there are 5 steps to follow. Okay, one is we'll be seeing what are the software that is need to follow, in requirement for the following steps. Another is setting up the platform for using, and that is a prerequisites and to be implemented as per the language server. Whatever I said, if you are using PHP, you have to follow XAMPP server or a WAMP server, where it gives a server, and if you are using Java, you have to use Apache server, and if you are using Python, you will be using a Django server probably. And we'll be using those stuff here, and at last we'll be checking in our server side too. Okay, and without further delay, let's get started, that what should we do for the following steps to be needed. And I have to ask you a question, that how many of you are new to this web development course, or do anyone know already what is web development? A lot stuff. Can you please just uh, give a chat over in the message side, so that I'll be knowing that is that everyone new to this field or someone is have some experience in developing some part of. Okay. Okay, what about others? Okay, I think most of you are the basic, from the basic. Okay. Okay, that's great. Okay, as for now that most of us are fresher, we'll just go from the basic that web page, websites, and web server. See, normally the www is the common knownly as World Wide Web, which is commonly known as web, and web page. Okay, shall I ask you a question, guys? Can anyone give me an example that what is a web page and a website is? Just give me a short answer rather than giving line by line. Okay. Don't think that I'm just showing the slide without working anything. We have lots of sessions, so from basic we'll be going from the procedure. Okay. Oh, super, Praneeth. That was a great answer. Okay, as Praneeth, I'll be giving you a question that you are saying that collection of web pages is website. That is absolutely fine, and that is what the answer is. And let me know what is a web page means. One second. A web page has a okay. See, web page is a single page that is known. Okay, we how to normally define a web page is that anything that has a HTML code which runs on the browser, it's known as a web page. Okay, yeah, that's great. I think only Praneeth is active in the session. Guys, do active, yeah. Okay, uh, let's move on. Let me go to here and see. We will be seeing the software that is recommended for the tools, and first of all we need is a text editor. Okay, so I recommend to use Sublime Text. So this is where you can find the downloads. So as per your system inbuilt version, you can just download it, and this is a best tool. And if you are not okay with that, there are a lot more tool known as Atom. So you can download the Atom structure here for the Windows a lot. And another is Brackets, where you can to download this. These are the open source. Okay, and the very much useful, and which is used in the a corporate side is the Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is where this is actually for a common platform where it is interoperability, and it has inter languages, so you can use whatever language you want, and you can also install the extension. Okay, I will just show you the Sublime Text here. This is what a Sublime Text looks like from a basic. Okay, and I will tell you why we are actually need to have a text editor rather than using a notepad. While we are learning some basic web page, we'll be using some notepad to create a web pages. Okay, and before going into it, we also have to have a server. That is, if you are using or notepad, you'll be just having this. And one more thing before moving on to the text editor, make sure that you have a designing tool, that is Adobe XD, which is a awesome tool. Okay, where you can find to design, and you can learn a lot from this, and this field is actually raising in a lot. And we have two more things, that is UI and UX designing. uh, do anyone know the meaning of UI and UX? Just a definition. No. Okay. Do anyone, guys, do active in the message section so that I'll come to know. Okay, see, UI is a user interface and UX is a user experience, and UI is a basic thing, that UX is experience thing. First of all, they will be going for a designer to develop a website. He has to design, and then the process will be moving on to the development. Once the design is over, the designer is actually most responsible person in the project, so he has to design as per the user, and it should be a user friendly. The main thing, it should be user friendly, and once the design is completed, which is a completion of UI, okay, then it should be upgraded the version like 2.0, 2.1, 2.73, like that. That is known as user experience level, where you can actually update the experience of the user by getting the feedback sections. Okay, and this is an awesome tool, Adobe XD, for designing. I think it's just for free only for 30 months, but I have upgraded session which I will be showing in the next session. Okay, and Figma tool, it's an awesome tool. Okay, and corporate uses this tool rather than using a Figma, I mean Windows XD. And these are the things where you can have Figma sections. And once the Figma, and we also have a Balsamiq tool. Balsamiq, this is also one of web designing tool. Okay, yeah, where you can also download. This is our desktop version, and these are not for free. I'm so sorry, but I'm damn sure that Figma is for free and you can just download and crack it. Okay, and we'll be also moving on to the server. I will be showing you the backend process in the later by using a PHP server. So let me use a WAMP server. I use a WAMP server, okay, because due to some technical issue I don't have a XAMPP. Uh, Actually both do a same work here, and you can just download it here. If you want, I can give you the link in the our WhatsApp group. Stay connected in it. And a XAMPP server, yeah, you can download it too. And the three main thing that you have to download is one, text editor, any one thing which is perfect for you, um, which is comfortable for you. Okay, make sure that you are stable with that. And one is the server, another is the designing framework. Okay, and we'll be also showing the design part in the next session. We'll just go with basic HTML tags today. Okay, and instead of using the Sublime text, I will make you a difference between it. And before that, I want to show my website. Have everyone saw my website that I have been created? Do anyone? Actually, these are the codes for my website, which took a week or 2 weeks to build it, and it was not much tough. So these are the codes I use here, and some of it are PHP linked, so I need the server for them. So I will just run it on my server side. You can just check it out. Oh wait, okay, I'll just show you. Yeah, this is my website here. Okay, I have to start my server again. I have just shut it down. So I'll go with WAMP here. I have to first of all on it. Okay, without going to a server, you can't just link go to. This is actually the port number and where you will be getting it. I got it here. Actually, it is loading here. Make sure it turns green here. Okay. You have to make sure that it turns green. So just wait for a while here. So yeah. Yeah, now it's perfect. So I think some network issue, so it's not turning into green. I will just first of all go to the local host here. Okay, local host where you have to host your server in the local platform where you are using. So I'm using a WAMP server. It is taking to the WAMP server. So this is my project where a Kodi site, which is my YouTube channel, and I'll just say slash a Kodi site. That's loads my website. Yeah, this is my website where I worked it, and this is what you'll be seeing. And we'll try to build. You have to build your on your own, okay? And myself, Karthik here as a techie, and not I'm not showing that I'm a techie person, but I know a bit of courses, and yeah, as I mentioned here, I'm just doing my BCA degree. I'm not yet been graduated, so just follow me, okay, in the Insta too. These are the online courses I was. This is actually expired because I was running a short time timer here. So the last time to enroll is just to link the pages. When you click the enroll button, it takes to the Google form where that is closed for the month. Okay, so this is closed for the month. Once I go back, it takes me here, and the link is expired for this month. Okay, and in June I was taking ethical hacking batch, which was not going that good, and this is what my content here, and this is a basic website I have done in just a few minutes, that is 30 minutes, by using a bootstrap. Okay, and even I can build a page in 30 minutes. You can build a lot, man. Okay, and here are the recent technologies where I'll be working for you, and I'll make sure that it is properly conveyed to you guys. And I also want to make this a copyright detail so that okay. And when I go to about my teammates who helped me a lot, okay, in my way. So this is about our content. So people who work with me is Rakesh, Yugender, Vignesh bro, and Arul Matthew. You know, Rakesh and Arul Matthew are just connected in the Google Meet, and Rakesh is very much good in Java actually. And Arul Matthew, thanks for coordinating the team here. And I want to mention that thanks for the work you did here. And Yugender will be soon joining us once he is free. Okay, and Vignesh bro is actually making the digital marketing. This is team is awesome, and a testimonial which is from workers. They do work in different companies. They are a good worker, and here we have lots of testimonials they gave on which they gave to my channel via a social media. So I just want to make sure that that is also mentioned here. So these are the testimonials and the people work with me. And let's move on to the project and courses where you'll be seeing some of the projects. So I have worked in the project of designing for the Sage company, and I designed for them, and I do have a certificate for that. I have developed 4 to 5 websites. I mean websites which has not been hosted, and I have a basic knowledge in Android, and I have tried a bit in Android. Soon I'll be completing and make a workshop in that. And join me as a developer, or that you need to develop for something. Okay, and At last we have a contact form here, okay, where if you click here it actually goes like a Google form, right? And that's it. And I didn't give a submit button because it takes some backend process, it takes a time. So this is all about the front end. We all are going to learn a front end as soon as possible and back end a bit later once we are completed the front end process, okay? And if you click the channel here, it takes to the YouTube channel of a Cody site, man. We are live here, do check it here, okay? We are live here. Once you click it, okay, okay, I'll just copy it here, and that's great. I will just send you all in the I'll just paste it here. If you want, guys, go here and check it out later, okay? And yeah, let's start. Instead of going with the Sublime Text, first of all, let's make a basic move that how does the process takes place, okay? I will take a new text editor. Before that, shall I want to? Okay, I'll just ask you. Do you want the process how it has been taking place in the IT companies, or I can just move on with the HTML here? I need your replies, guys. I can just move further, or you need the process that is what going. You need to know that how the process is going on in the corporate side. Do you guys? Or I can just go with the HTML content here. Yeah, okay, that's not a big issue, that it doesn't take a time here. And see, as I said that we have a group of members who is working for a project. For example, that you are running a company, okay, for a last 20, okay, for past 1 year, and you have to develop a website for that, and you are engaging for a purpose or a person who is actually in a good developing style, and you find a company. At last you are paying them lakhs and crores of money to build it, okay? And you can ask me why we are giving a lakhs of amount to them. See, they are building the website, they need salary, and even though while hosting you have to save your data, right? We can't host a data where it has been data breached. There are a website called 000 web host, a total damage with the data breaches, and every data in this W3 host is, sorry, 000 host, it's damn data lost, and the people are literally suffering in it. And a basic that they do wireframing, okay? And in first of all we'll be using a UX designing, I mean UI designing, with a various tool. And development we have three web developments: front end, back end, and a full stack. See, when you come to a front end developer, he just styles you the front end view, what you can see, okay? What you are seeing is a front end. You are what you saw in my website is a front end. What you can't see is a back end, okay? The both development, when a person is doing with a perfection, he is called as a full stack developer, where he does a both front end and a back end, okay? And then comes the unit testing. This unit testing is known for the code testing, where they do test the codes for the purpose and in the back end purpose too. And then it goes to the quality analyst. When it goes to the quality analyst, they checks the functionality by manual as well as automation. See, a person or a project cannot be handled directly to the automation side. Automation is where you run a code, or you or check a perfection by using the code, but manually you have to check it before, and then you have to move on to the automation side. And then the deployment comes into a while. And I think Naina Mohammed has personally asked me about the domain part of it. And if you attended my past uh, ethical hacking session, you may know, but I will just share the screen once again. I think I have that PPT here. Yeah. Okay. And I think Naina Muhammad, can I do explain you for the domain name system? Yeah, sure. So in this part, I think everyone will be knowing this IP address sections, and which is not going to detail taken here. So DNS, okay. What is DNS? That is a domain name service, and here the IP address will actually converting into a domain name, that is a google.com. A google.com IP address is something like which is in number 0000 something, like 123. It takes in a part where it divided into 3. Okay, it is in a subnet form like 255.255.255.255. There are 4 sections. Okay, here you could see 1 2 3 1 1 2 3 and 12. Why it has been taking here? Because in this section 255 216 is acting here, and in this place 255 place it is taking a 3 role here, and in case of 3255 it is taking 128 here. It is all in the backend process where it runs the server, and it is not detailly explained here. It was detailly explained in the last session, which is of ethical hacking. I think Pranit and Soundarya knows in depth. Okay, and if you need a session, you can keep a separate session for this DNS and networking system, or you can just go to the live which is being posted in our channel. So which is converted into a domain name. For example, if you want to buy a domain name, okay, you need some of the amount to be paid. Okay, so when you are making a domain here, get a domain. So you have to have a big rock system here, name cheap. Okay, only domains. Okay, you have to check first of all whether your domain is available or not. Okay, you need to have some name like a youtube.com, google.com. There are the names for the channels that is using here. For example, I'm using a command prompt here. Okay, I'll just run as admin. If you ask me, okay, you are saying just like a google.com, but how come you say, how come you know about the IP address, right? I will just show you. Okay, I'll just show you. I'll just ping. Until I stop, it gives me a command that is about a IP address. Okay, I will just stop here. So what is saying me that 172.217.16.312, it is a Google account. So instead of giving my google.com, I'm giving this ID. Okay, I will just go here and paste it here. It is taking me to the Google. Okay, I didn't type any google.com here. So this is what a domain name. Okay, Naina, do you got it? See, the same thing works everywhere. Okay, and when you want to host a website, you can also host it in your drive, where I am hosting in a drive. Okay, and I do a lot in a drive section, so that it is also free. It is also available to, when you share a link, it is also visible to them, neither getting a link for that. Okay, I will move on with the HTML here. I'll just exit this. Okay, we'll move on to the text editor here. Okay, I'll make it a basic tag. We'll be having a HTML here. Okay, HTML, that here there is no syntax, I mean no specializations in capital or small and case sensitive here. So they will be having a 2 sections, open tag and a close tag. There are also a single tag called as BR, HR. Okay, HR is a horizontal rule that makes a line here. BR breaks the line. Okay, we will be having a head section. Okay, and we'll be having a title here. We'll be having a body too. Okay, and I will be typing hello guys, welcome to the okay, and make sure that you use some tags here or it takes as a paragraph. So I'm using your h1 tag, okay, and I'll use here too h1 tag, okay. And in title I want to say that it is a web development course, okay, web dev. I will use a web dev. And why we are using the head tag I will be soon saying you. So I will just save as, okay. I want to save, okay, someone is coming, I think so. Is that so? Okay, I'll just save it as um, hello.html. Gajendra, may I know where did I make a mistake? Hello Gajendra, did I make any mistake here? You have mentioned h1. Oh, that's great, Superman, you got it. Yeah, when you are closing a tag, make sure that you use a forward slash. Okay, I'll just save it and I'll just go to the desktop, and you'll be seeing a Chrome browser here, right? You could see here. I'll just zoom if it's not possible here. And when I visit in my local server, it's saying a web dev here. Okay, I'll just make sure it's in head side. Okay, title. Okay, Control X, and I'll just paste it here. We'll run it again. Okay, I'll just all this, I'll just save it. We'll just run it again. And yeah, it is showing, hey guys, welcome to the crash course of web development. Awesome to see you all. Yeah, this is what you will be seeing in this part. But what is the use of using a Sublime Text here or Atom here? Okay, I will just make sure that you are using this. And when I'm using this, okay, it is a blank text. So first of all I want to use something, so I will save, just first of all you save it, okay, and I will be seeing it a demo.html in my desktop itself. I will save it. Now it is in the format of demo.html. Okay, when I open the tag, it shows me the variety of code where it doesn't take me to write a code, it actually completes the code. That's it. Is that visible? See how simple is that? I need not to write any code stuff or the syntax where I can make a mistake in the notepad. So here I'll be also saying a web dev, okay, and in the body section we can use a h1 tag or h2 tag, okay. Well, I'll say welcome again, welcome. I'll just save it and I will go, there's a demo here, I will just open and it is saying welcome, and we are having a web dev as a title here. And make sure that, okay, that's fine. Okay, this is what a use of Sublime Text here or a Atom or a bracket or something, etc., whatever you use, even in Visual Code. And we'll be seeing how to have a different fonts also. So we'll be going to Google. We have, see, God made a Google for a reason, so go search for fonts. So Google have lots of fonts which is available in the site. So if I want to use this, click here and you can see add the style here. So this is a way you can make a style on your own. you have to embed it, and instead of using a link in HTML, you can also use in a CSS will be soon, seen soon. So I'll just copy this link and I'll go here, and in every link that you are actually calling it, it should be starting from the head. So head is a main frame where it keeps the situation of a brain. It stores a file. So I'm saving this file, okay. Whenever I need, it calls from the brain, okay. The function is called from the brain. So I will just make this a style into where you will be seeing a font family, right. I will be explaining all the properties while we are going for the CSS properties. So okay, that's it. Now when I go here, okay, when I run this, see, you can see the font has been changed. Is that? So this is what we will be developing a lot, and we will be describing about a lot. And when we are using a font or image, you can pick it from Font Awesome. A very good site where the developers use a lot. You can pick whatever icons you want for your website. It is inbuilt. For example, I need a open door. It is visible, right? See, whatever icon you want. For example, you need a hospital. See, we all got it. For example, you need a WhatsApp. You got it here. So everything you can get, and you can get free pick too. Free pick tool where it is a vector form. Okay, these are the some of the pictures which is available for in the PNG format. And guys, do you all have a laptop? Neither a system. Okay. What about others? Okay, I think only Soundarya doesn't have a laptop, it seems. Okay, what about Rakesh? Arul Matthew, do you have a laptop? Okay, I think. Okay, I'll make you a easy thing, okay? Guys, make sure that you download a software from Play Store that is known as a Figma. Maybe Figma available, I think so. I'm not damn sure. Sketch may be available, and there are some of the designing tool, and you can also make sure that you are using a paper pen too. I'm not making anyone to be a good thing in only a laptop. You can also make sure that you can use a paper pen. When I give a assessment for the designing, make sure that you all attempt it, okay. And this is what a basic difference, okay. And I will show the backend process. While you are using Java, we will be going through a MySQL command line, okay. And I will enter my password here. Yeah, and to showing a table, we have a code. Oh, I'm sorry, we have to use databases first of all. So show. So these are the database I have here. So let me use ecom, okay. Okay, guys, I need to show my project, one project where I did. So I will just show how the backend works, okay. No, bro, it's not. Yeah, Oracle, MySQL also supports. Or yeah, I don't know what question are you asking about Oracle. Praveen, make sure that you are asking to the point. I'm not sure about your question. No, 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 no. I'm not doing the backend now. I'm just explaining you how the backend works. We all will be working on the backend at the last session, okay? Now I'm just showing you a demo. How does it work? That's it. Is that clear? Well, that's fine. Sorry for the delay and it takes a time. Yeah, finally done. And this is a project done in a Java server using Apache. So let me use admin dasher admin.jsp user login. So register admin.jsp here. Yeah, this page. So let me run this page in a server that is using Apache. Once again, it's take again lot of time here. Oh, it's not responding. Okay, fine. Okay, let's make sure it's finished. These are not the errors. This actually start the server down. And yeah, we got the yes. So I'll just copy it and I'll go to my Google. I'll just paste it. This is what, again, a local server, you got it here, okay? And this is what I made a page. It has a action form action, okay? When I give something that I will say, okay, I will give my friend name, that is Rakesh, okay? And I'll give some password that 123. It doesn't log in. It again takes me to the JSP page, or it takes me to the index page. Okay, it takes me to the first page. So what is the wrong here? Because the validation was not proper up to the command. So I will say show tables. Tables in the form that we have a rows and columns here, which we have entered with the server, and we have also some of the inputs from the user here too. So show tables. These are the table. We need admin login, right? So show, it's not show, it's select star from, I'll make sure that it is copied. Admin login, okay? Admin login, semicolon. Yeah, we got the password and the ID. So when I use AMA001 and password is ecom123, okay? I will go back. I will use ID AMA001, okay? And what is the password? Ecom123, right? I will go here and say ecom123. It takes me to the dashboard. Look at this. See, as the admin, I have logged into the admin as Ashok. Okay, this is what happens in the backend, how it actually responds to your site and it actually works. We'll all discussing it in a later, okay? We'll discuss soon once these are the product detail customers. Okay, I didn't prepare a lot in this, so here comes the dashboard, the process, and the name of the who purchased a lot. Okay, and there are many dummy contents like lorem ipsum. You can get dummy content for your website by generating it, and when you are using a PHP server, that will be going with a local host, right? So make sure you use a local host here too. I will call my local host. Okay, and I need to go for the PHP admin, right? I will click here. When I'm clicking to PHP admin, it takes me to the PHP site where I can work it on a backend. So I will just enter the password here and enter. And this is what my PHP backend code, and you can ask what is the difference to here. So I'll make sure the difference that in this stuff you have to actually code everything. You have to code each and everything. Once the error, it makes a damn issue here. And while using here, you just need to enter what is what, and it is all in a detailed form. Okay, and when I'm entering into user details, see if I want to, I'm sorry, I'll make sure, just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. I will just ensure the power supply is good. Yeah, that is all fine here. And in the next session, we will be also working on, we'll be literally working with a designing stuffs, okay? And okay, I need to ask you a question. What type of web page or a website did you all want to build it? Guys, please do respond here. What kind of website or a web page that you want to build on your own? Am I audible, Gajinder? Okay, fine. Advertisement of any product. Okay, Rakesh, it's not okay. Okay, I'm asking what kind of website that you all want to print. I mean, you all want to generate. I got an answer from Praveen that he is saying that he literally want a e-com website. What about others? What kind of website can we build? Can we all build? Guys, do respond, yaar. It's not saying a video here. You all have to interactive somewhat easier. See, Rakesh, I want to convey you one thing. In life, you have to take risk and you have to take what is not possible. You have to make it possible, right? You are not. It is not moving with the easier thing. Okay, we'll make it easier. It will be easier by using a bootstrap. Okay, in website where I can share info and stuff to learn some courses. I think Pranit is literally sharing my website content. It seems to be a course sharing content. Pranit, if I'm not wrong, it is like a Udemy, right? Okay. Okay. This is what stuffs look like, and make sure that you are downloading the proper stuffs. Yoga links. Okay. I will be sharing there. Okay. And if you have any questions related any web development course or any content, you can just make it here, and I will just make sure that it is done. Have I taken you much time? Sorry guys if I so. This session may be boring because it was a literally theoretical, and next session we'll be moving on with the practical stuff. Okay, how to create a website, that is what we are going to see here, Soundarya. Okay, make sure that your curiosity reaches a higher level. Okay, using CSS, JavaScript, so on. See, yeah, we are going to use a JavaScript too, and make sure that you are also, we are not going to learn a code here. Okay, we are not going to learn a code, but I will make you understand what is what with a code. Okay, if you want to start a programming or if you want to move on with web development, it can be easily done, bro. It's not a big issue or it's not a big deal. And JavaScript is literally converted with yeah, thanks for sharing this JavaScript here. Praveen, I will just share you one thing also for all the guys. See, JavaScript have different frameworks. Is the screen visible, right? The screen is visible? Yeah, okay. When we check on with the JavaScript here, okay, there are lots and lots of frameworks which is available. Okay, Java frameworks. Yeah, see, I'll just show you, I think. Okay, let me show you here. React is one of the JavaScript. Okay, and Angular is one of a JavaScript. Okay, and Node is one of the JavaScript, and Vue is one of the JavaScript. There are lot of frameworks that is available in JavaScript that we are literally winding or searching of. Okay, and React, Node are literally same, but it differs in the pack of a library, and React is a library where Angular is a framework. Okay, React consists of lots and lots of open source library, and it is a framework which is open to application, and Node is an open source platform where you can run any code on the npm. I will just show you the Node. So this is Node.js JavaScript, I mean command prompt. You can run any JSON packages using this. Okay, npm tool, the npm package. Okay, this is a Node package module. You can download anything of JS. Okay, and Vue is upcoming JavaScript where every developers are yet to learn, and it is also a framework for building a website. You can see here the word user interface. Okay, let's make sure, and I want to also say one thing, and once make sure that you are downloading a perfect version for the designing, and once it is downloaded, if you want any link for downloading the wireframe tool, I can just suggest you in the WhatsApp group. If you direct me, or if you need, you can just post it in the group. I will send you the links that is required for the further. And guys, if you need to download the profit stuff or you don't know the link, ask me, I'll just post you in the groups. Okay, and what are the software we need to install in the lab? Gajinder, just wait. I will once the link is over, Arul Matthew will be sending you all the links as a coordinator, and if you have any queries, you can just ask him. You'll be replying it immediately. Any other questions? Arul Matthew, are you there here? Make sure that you are available once the session is over for the link providing. Okay, what about others? Any queries of web development? Any doubts, basic doubts? And thanks, Arul Matthew, for the proper coordinations. And if you have any doubts in programming, you can just raise your words towards Rakesh if possible. Okay, he is always available too. Thank you, Naina Mohammed. And Naina Mohammed is one of my schoolmates. He is doing his HEC, a perfect engineering student. Is it all clear, or shall we wind the session, or you all have to ask a certain questions? If so, you can just ask the questions. Was that session useful, or literally I was talking about something else rather than the topic? Yeah, thank you, Praveen, and Soundarya, Praneeth too. Yeah, okay. Next session we'll be meeting up with a wireframe, and if you guys need the date sheet or a calendar sheet, I can just provide. Arul Matthew will be sharing you. Yeah, okay. And if you also, okay. Guys, I will be trying to give you a certificate if possible once the session is over by giving Give My Certificate is a portal where we are being communicating for a while, and we have been partnered for a while in the ETIP community. Uh, it was a little bit delay in the certification format. They are not replying officially. So once it is ready, we'll be distributing the certificate, or else we'll be giving a certificate via Google form. That is a e-certificate, which is uh, valid for a year, I think so. Okay. If possible, we'll be giving. Don't make your mind that you will be getting a certifications. Okay. And I will make sure that I am perfect to the level that you can build a website on your own, guys. Even if you don't know any code from the basics, we will be doing. And one thing, you have to make sure that you are interacting here. If you want any doubt, you can just unmute your mic once, or you can just ask or post a question. And in further classes, make sure that you are interactive rather than using a dumb or something. Okay. Yeah, that is more important, Praneeth. The words are gold. Thank you for that. And shall we wind the session? And thanks for everything that you are cooperated with me. Thanks. I think all the members have joined. And last session, ethical hacking, literally 40 members signed up, and only 20 members turned into a live. That made me into some stuffs, and literally Praneeth, Soundarya, and some stuffs students who gave me the potential to act on the next workshop. And thank you guys for all the supporting help. And guys, do you have any doubt in programming too? Do you guys have a doubt in programming? Is all the students here of engineering? May I know that? Praneeth, if you have any doubt, you can contact Rakesh here. He'll be available in the WhatsApp too. Okay. What about others? Is all from I know about Soundarya, Praneeth, Rakesh, Naina Mohammed, Arul Matthew, Kajender, except I think Jana, Praveen are new to this session. So make sure that you can introduce yourself here. That's a literally a sarcastic joke here, Arul Matthew. Okay, it is literally sarcastic, and I think Oh my God, you're doing your MBBS degree. That's great. And may I ask you a question, Jana? What made you to come into this development field while you are in a doing your medical field? May I know that, please? Even I am a biological student here who is teaching a computer stuff. That's that is literally crazy here. Okay, what about Jana? I think I didn't get any answer for that. Okay, interested. That's really great, bro. And go forward in your dreams, and everybody get attached. Don't leave your passion, guys. And thank you for attending the session with the Codicide Karthik here. And we'll be seeing you in the next session that is of designing for a website. Okay, I will be giving you a post or a link where you have to poll the website, or we will be giving you a polling that you can develop that we can design a web page or a login page. Which content are you developing interested? So that I'll be giving you a poll. You can just give your votes there so that majority of the votes can be developed in the site for your benefits. Thank you. And I think I'll just stop the streaming. That's fine here.